Hey guys, it's me, Christina. I am trying out this awesome looking product. This is called Flawless Brows. Yep, I said it right. So it's this pen, like this pen that's supposed to shape your brows and remove all that hair instead of tweezing. It's supposed to be harmless and it doesn't hurt. I have not seen any reviews on this, so I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. I'm gonna try it on my best friend Karen and my daughter Zooey and see if this is actually worth your money. I think this was around $20 or $25 I paid for it.
It says removes hair instantly and pain-free. 18 karat gold plated.
Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what it looks like and jump straight to that video of me doing their brows. So it is a tiny, tiny pen. You put a battery in the bottom of it and it turns on. It has like this light, as you can see. So let's go ahead and just try it out. See if this is worth your money or not. Okay guys, so this is Karen's eyebrow. You can see that she needs a trim right there. And just to maintain some hairs on top, but mostly the under area. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it. See if it works. Go ahead and see if it cleans it up. Close your eyes.
I thought it was gonna hurt. Doesn't even hurt.
Okay, I don't know what the heck that is right there, but that is definitely not her makeup. I think it's almost like oil or something that came out of it. Look at this. I don't know if you, look at that. I don't know what in the world that is. Yeah, look at it, Karen.
That is not my makeup.
Touch it. It has to be like an oil or something.
Oh yeah. It's an oil.
Yep.
It's oil.
Let me do the other eyebrow. Okay, so Karen has a very long hair right here, but oh my goodness, did you guys just see that again? I'm trying to get this long hair. What in the world? It is just spitting all of this oil. It's actually not getting the super long hairs. Let me try just to get that long hair in the spitting oil. It's almost like you have to go over and over and touch it, and it's really hard to get those super. If it's short hair, we'll get it. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna stop using this. Okay, I'm gonna try it on her lip. Even though it's spitting oil everywhere. Oh wow, you can hear it. But this side actually got the majority, I'm going to say like 85% of the hair off. Okay, so Karen's trying to get like this one hair that's super long and it just won't go through the little machine here, I guess you could say. So her eyebrow right here, you can see that it took off the bottom hairs, but it is a tad bit hard to work with and it spits oil all over the place. So half of her lip is done. This side is done, and that side is not. So, do you like it even though it spits oil all over the place?
I do, but you just have to make sure that you don't have any makeup. And it's convenient if you have no time to go get your eyebrows or your wax done and threaded done. It's convenient. You just have to take that extra time, and you have to be in a very bright light to see the little hair. It's one of those magnifying glass. But it is convenient. You could take it to go if you're vacationing. It's something that you would want to take. But otherwise, myself personally, I'll just keep it as a backup.
Got it. You guys can see this is all the hair that grows. You can see it rub up against my fingernail. So I'm going to try it on her as well. That's half her lip. Wow. Before and after. Obviously, it exfoliates her skin a little bit. Right. Let's try it on her eyebrow real quick before we get to the other side. You guys can see Zoomy has like very, very thick eyebrows that need to be maintained. So let's see. Yeah, you see how it doesn't want to go make a line? So I got to go down in all different directions.
So I'm trying to get this long hair right here. No, still here. It's this one.
Oh, the other one.
That long one.
No, don't check on my eyebrows.
So it's a little bit difficult because this is the line. I'm trying to get a straight line from here to there. So I'm trying to take off this one right here. So it's fine if you can go like all crazy directions with it. But like on the eyebrows, you want to go more like in a straight line to make them perfectly symmetrical.
But the package says it's for eyebrows, so it seems like it was much better in the mustache.
Agreed, 100% on that.
Because it's thinner, maybe because the hair is much thinner.
I should say mustache for women.
Right.
Look at that. Wow. Wow. That's awesome. There's
Yeah, it's good for the mustache area.
Okay, guys, so what did you think? I thought, honestly, like what Karen was saying made a lot of sense. Like, this is something for a quick touch-up. Did it work good on the eyebrows? It didn't cut, like, in a straight line. You know, you do have to do, like, circular motions and work it in there, which is a little bit more difficult because on the eyebrows, you want that straight line. Okay, so it did make it more difficult. Now, when I did it on the mustache area, that was fantastic. Let me just tell you. I mean, we have to work it a little bit more and go into circles, but it took everything off. So like if you don't have time to go get threaded, waxed, or what's the other one? Threaded, waxed, or tweezed, then I think this is a fantastic thing to carry with you or just for a quick touch up. This thing ranges, I think, $20 to $24. I got it at my local Walgreens. If you guys want to get it, I will post a link down below. I didn't like the fact that it does spit out a little bit of oil, you know. Oh, and let me kind of show you guys how you clean it. So it comes with this tiny little brush, and of course you can do this with the tiny little brush, but it's going to cut the little things. So what you will do is you will just twist off this top, and it does come off. And you can see like all the like little hairs and the gunk, look at that gets on it. So you kind of just take this little brush and clean it off. And it's almost like the hairs, I'll show you on the brush, it's almost like the hairs get soaked in a little bit of the oil that spits up. You can see they're not, how they're dirty at the end. So these are the two little blades that spin. Then you just clip the top back on. And that's it. And then twist it. Oh, and they did mention that when I do it on the skin for so long, it does get warm. It does not get hot where it burns, but you will have this warming sensation on your face. Did it bother them? No, not really. They just wanted you guys to know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And if you did, please give this review a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.